Today is Tech Tip Tuesday. What Ethan is going to get ready to do, we got our DeWalt drill and we got a hole saw here. Our hole saw is the same exact size as an 1.5 inch bulk fitting. And when they come through the factory, you can see how small of a hole they have. Well, these spheres are pretty good size, and we want to make sure that we get more water volume because we just like the way they look better. So right now, Ethan's going to get ready to drill this out so it's at the right size hole for our bulk fitting. And there it is. What do you think for your first time, Ethan?
Ooh, it's hot. That's hot. Pretty nice, but I'm not going to touch that anymore.
All right, so one of the things that Ethan has determined is that friction gets hot, right?
It does cause heat. That is a science tip.
You are absolutely right, it's a science tip. What's that guy's name? Bill Nye, the science guy?
Safety glasses on.
All right, so Jason has the bulk fitting right now. So we are going to put, which side up, which side down?
We are going to put the rubber gasket side up and the plastic side down with the nut.
All right, so right now, like Jason's got that bulk fitting all set up. Now what that allows us to do is that we can put another threaded fitting in there with a short piece of PVC, because what we want to do is keep that PVC just below the water level, and then it gives us that cool water column that you're going to see later on in this video.
All right, Ethan, I don't know if you've ever installed a bulk fitting. Bulk fittings are a little bit different. They got a reverse thread on them. So that rubber gasket will stay on the top part. It also comes with a plastic washer, which will go on the inside, which I can't reach. Can you hold that side, bud?